Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, go to settings, next go to the sound and vibration, ringtone. Here you can select one of these. This one is actually pretty good, but we can select another ringtone here in the system ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. This one really slaps, so I'll just go with it. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.